Alright, so now what you need to do is create an affiliate marketing landing page for this offer right here. So to do that, first of all, open the sales page. So here's the sales page of this offer. And you also want to open the affiliate support page, which is this page right here. So we're going to use this page to find resources to help us promote the offer. And the next step is to go to system.io and you want to add your email address right here. Then click on get my free account and you'll be able to create your account. Go ahead and sign in, and right here in your dashboard, go over here to funnels. So it's going to bring you to this page right here, and this is where we're going to create our landing page. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and start creating your landing page. So click on create right here. Then we can add the name. So the name of our offer is this right here. So let me do this. Make sure you copy this right here. Then go over here, add the name of your offer right here. Then select build an audience right here. Then scroll down and click on save. Then your landing page should show up right here. So under name, go ahead and click on your landing page. So right here on the left, I want you to go down here to where it says thank you right here. Then go to the three dots, then click on remove, then confirm. Right, so now the next thing is to select a template for the landing page. So we can scroll down here and see all the templates that we have available right here. So I want to select a very simple landing page right here. So I think this one is okay. So go ahead and click on select once you find a template that you like, or you can click here to see what the template looks like. So go ahead and select this or click on select. Alright, so right here all you have to do is click on edit page. Okay, so this is the landing page editor, so you can edit everything on this page. So for example, you can click here and you can change the text right here. So you can see I can write anything that I want right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll start getting rid of all the parts of this template that I do not want. So let's go down here and let's see. I'll go ahead and hover my mouse over here on this section and delete this section. And I'll keep on repeating this until I get rid of all the sections. Okay, so I got rid of all the sections. I'm only remaining with this one section right here. So what I'll do is I'll get rid of these right here. And I'll get rid of this part right here as well. Let's see. I'll get rid of this as well. And this top part. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is on the left right here, I'll scroll down and find image. So I double click right here and drag this image under the text right here. Just like that. So what I do is I'll click on this image right here. So go ahead and click there. Then on the left right here, just scroll down and right here where it says margin, go ahead and click here. And you want to create some space right here on top right here. So you want to create some space between the image and the text. Alright, so perfect. Now the next thing you want to do is go over here to your source page and you want to take a screenshot of this video right here. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I just took a screenshot right here, and you want to cancel to your editor right here, and you want to add that image right here. So click here on the image, go up here to image file, click on the cloud icon right here. Then right here, click on select file and go ahead and select the image. Click open. Then go ahead and click on insert right here. Okay, perfect. So what you want to do now is you want to check it out and see how it looks like. Now people can't clearly see the screenshot right here. So what you want to do is click here on the image. Then on the left right here, you want to scroll down to the border right here. You want to find style. Then click that, then select solid. So now people can clearly see the screenshot right here. So people will land on the landing page and they'll see this as the video. So they'll click here to try to play the video. And we're going to redirect them to the affiliate offer. Okay, so for the next step, what you want to do is go to the affiliate support page. So you can find that right here, affiliate support page. So click here and it's going to bring you to this page right here. On this page, go to emails. Click that and select single promo emails. Then right here we can find a lot of emails that are being provided to us. Then we can use these emails to find a headline to add on our landing page. So I'll go ahead and select this right here. So I'll click that, then copy this right here. Just copy this. Let's go back here to the landing page. Then go over here to the text. Then I'll replace this text with this right here. Why men leave perfect women. Then there's a video right here that people are going to click on to play. But this is a screenshot. So what we're going to do now is, first of all, let's do this so that you can see how our landing page looks like. Okay. Nice, decent. I like this. So what you can do is you can change the color of the text if you want to. So for example, right here it says perfect. You can change the color to something else. So you can highlight the color, then click here. Then select, let's say red, for example. And you can see right here, the text has been changed to red right here. So yeah, I'll just leave it like that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a pop-up on this landing page.